That's exactly what we need.
Over there?
Yeah, we need to get in there and get that blowtorch. Locked up good. There's some space up there, but not much.
We're lucky I'm so little.
Yeah, we are. How we doing?
Good. What do we need?
Something to help us deal with the tanker out there. You okay going over the top of this fence?
Yeah, definitely.
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Fuck! It's okay. Everything's fine. Keys, now!